Hey, what's up everyone? It's your girl Tiff from Transition to Healthy Self, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you this ombre sew-in that I did. So let's go ahead and jump in. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss another video. So I am starting off on fresh, clean hair. If you want to see how I do my hair before I do protective styles, you can check out this video right here above. And also you can find the information below in the description box. Now, the reason why I am doing this protective style is because I was going out of town and I was going to be traveling. And so I kind of wanted something that I didn't have to really deal with and it could just be put away, and it needed some small minor manipulation while I was on vacation. So the look lasted me for about 2 weeks, and I know you're probably thinking why such a short time, but it's mainly because I had already had a protective style in, and so for me doing protective styles back to back are not good things. So I just wanted to kind of let my hair breathe, so I only kept it in for about 2 weeks. Now this is the first time in a long time that I've done sew-ins. It's been years, so this method is new to me, but I hope you guys like it and let me know what you think or if you do something different. Right now, as you can see, I'm separating my hair. I'm kind of creating the foundation for this sew-in, so I'm loosely twisting the hair that I want to be out for the final results, which is going to be my original hair or my natural hair. And then everything in the middle I'm going to eventually braid, which will be covered by the sew-in hair. Alright, so now that all my sections are complete that I want to have my foundation natural hair showing, I'm going in with my oil applicator. This is all the oils that are in that applicator as of right now. So you can see the Ylang, the jojoba oil, the olive oil, and all the essential oils with some beautiful smells to it. I'm just using that to kind of prep my hair, and then I'm going to just go in and braid. And like I said, this is all going to be covered. So if it doesn't make sense now, just keep watching to the end of this video so everything makes sense to you. But right now I'm just braiding the hair that I'm going to be covering with the sew-in. Alright, so to speed up this video a little bit, now you can see the braid. I'm going to go in with Mo Knows Hair Curl Smoothing Pudding for the foundations of my hair. I love this stuff. It smells so good. And as you can see here, that's what I use to twist my hair. So it's going to give me that definition in the end for the final look. The braids, I've just used oil. I'm going to go ahead and get my threading needle out. And this is pretty much what it looks like. It should have that curvature to it. And then this is my thread. I also had to pick up another pack, but you get it. I'm going to be using the Gardenia, and the color I wanted wasn't there, but that's okay. Now you all know I go in with apple cider vinegar to wash and clean the hair before I actually apply it to my scalp, just to help with the itching. So as you can see, this is later on that day. And now I'm just going to take the loose braids that I have. Again, this is going to be what's covered up. And I just twist them into a style, and then I sew them all together so that way everything is nice and tight and tucked. And then I'll go ahead and create a loose ending so that way when I go to take these out in the future, I won't have an issue. Now, what I like to do when it comes down to sewing is I like to double the hair, especially in the middle parts with the 2 tracks, because I have a small head and I need the style to look full. So with pretty much the second to top track, I stitch it to the top track, or I pretty much stitch it together, and then I cover any spaces. And so that's why I do this doubled up look. And while I'm doing this section, if you can see, I'm not stitching extremely close. They're a little separated, but eventually I will begin to make them a lot closer when it comes down to the stitching. But for now, this is what I'm doing, and honestly, it makes it super easy when it comes time to take these out. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and close this end off, and I'm just going to loop the needle through and make a little tight knot. Now you don't have to leave it that long, but this is personally my choice. And then I will pull this through and leave this in loose. So that way when it comes time to take this out, I know exactly where to go, and I'll just snip right here at that section that I'm showing you. All right, so now I am at the top of my hair, and the rule of thumb, like I said earlier, is the closer the stitching, the better, because this track is going to be getting handled the most. So if I comb my hair, brush my hair, manipulate my foundation hair, that kind of thing, it will be affected. So because it is just beneath my natural hair, I want to make sure that it is secure and installed, and it's the flattest and the neatest. So this is the next day, and I am taking down my twist from my nape, the sides of my hair, and also the front of my hair to blend in. Now I feel like after twisting, it all blends well. The color's okay. The length, I'm a little satisfied with, but I feel like it could be a little bit more of an ombre look, but I definitely made it work. So like I said, this is my first time doing this kind of style with color. So let me know what you guys think. Give me your honest opinion. I'd love to know what you think about the style and how I did it. Drop your comment down below. Stay well, stay healthy, be blessed, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye.